Alright, so check this plan out. Pretty cool, right? Thirds one more time. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. Well, if you follow my channel and you know the waving, this paper airplane is the reverse of the waving. It is a very similar fall, but the cool thing about this plane is it can flaps the wings. So it's a flapping wings paper plane. To make the paper airplane, you just need a piece of US letter size paper. But if you do not have US letter size paper, you can use A4 paper. Now, let's do the first step. Start from this edge, fold it to the other side. Press down the paper. Then unfold it. Flatten it out. Start from the upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Press down here, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Press down the paper, and now start from both edges here, fold both sides to the center crease. Do not fold straight to the center crease, leave a small gap. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Let me place the paper this way so I can fold it faster. Now I can press the paper down. On the following step, I will start from this edge of the paper and fold straight out like this. It's made about 2 inches along from the tip here down, and fold this edge out. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Go straight out. Now, let's start from this point, first straight down. Let me place the paper like this, curve, and show you how it folds. A little bit further, like this. So you can make the tail of the bird. A little bit further, not to here. If it's go here, it's too much. So leave like about 1 centimeter or about 1/4 of an inch. Press down the paper. Press this down here as well. Alright. So now you have a tail of the bird. Let me adjust it. Or you can say the dragon. The tail of a dragon. Let me fix this. Place it down for this one. Adjust it a little bit. So that's placed nice. Let me see. Let's match it to center crease. So this is good. On the following step, I will start from this side of the paper, just fold out so that the wings look nice. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Put straight out like this. And I can hold the paper up and fold it in half. Fold it in half. And start from this side, I can make a fold straight like this. This here. This distance is about 1 inch. Here is about 1/2 inch. Just cut the paper and fold down. And now repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Make sure that you fold this one back if it pop out. Right. Fold down. And here you go. This is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoyed making this plan along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.